Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick video to show you that you can turn napkins into actual paper. I'll be standing for this video. It requires an iron and freezer paper. And to remove the backing off your napkins and a piece of parchment paper. So, I've got a piece of parchment paper here. I've got some freezer paper here. I'm just going to cut off a section here. Probably more than I need, but I can always save it for another napkin. Okay, I've just got this napkin over here, and I've got just set that down like that. Oh, well, I didn't cut that wide enough, but that's okay. We'll do it. We can use it anyway like it is. I'll just trim around that part. It'll be shorter. Okay. So you cover it with your parchment paper. And start ironing. Across. Okay. And then you flip it over. You iron it on the back. I'm going to do it again on the front real quick. Okay. Then you'll peel off your parchment paper. And you just cut along the sides. Typically you'll have a long enough piece of freezer paper. That's alright about losing some of it because I did accidentally rip a hole in it when I was getting the backing off. And you see that it's completely stuck down. Could have probably cut that a little straighter. But, you know, it folds up just like paper. Okay. I'm just going to even it up a little. You can also do this with restaurant napkins too, like McDonald's napkins that are brown. And then it kind of gives an aged look to to your paper in case you don't like tea or coffee dyeing. But it's super easy. You could turn it into an envelope. You could turn it into an envelope this way if it was square. You could use it as a signature page because you can write on this part of the freezer paper that's not shiny. Excuse me. So yeah, just a couple of, just an easy way to turn napkins into fabric, or paper, I mean. I just wanted to share that with you real quick. I have to get off my feet now. I just had toenails removed and they're pretty sore. And I don't want them to start bleeding again. So I will see you guys back here on Friday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. As always, I love you and I will see you again really soon. Bye.